Hi, third grade. I'm here to teach you a little bit more about Freckle. So if you'll notice, my screen in the back is my iPad. And again, you're going to go ahead and click on Clever. Remember, it looks like an app, but it's actually a website. It's going to take you here to scan your badge. You probably don't have a badge, which is no big deal. You're going to click at the bottom of the screen that says Log In, right down here, with username and password. And we're going to log in with Active Directory. And once again, I'm going to use Zella as my example. So I'm going to click on Zella, and I'm going to pause my recording so that I can type in her password and keep that private. Okay, and now I'm going to sign in. And it's going to take me to my Clever page again, but this time, instead of going to Canvas, we're going to go to Freckle, which is this app right here that has a little pink pig on it. So go ahead and click on Freckle, and it's going to open up a whole new website for you. Now, this does require you to do 2 logins. So in the top right corner, it's going to say sign in. If you'll click on sign in, you are a student. So click on student. And on this page, it's going to ask you for a class code. If you notice, I've already typed in my code. I'm going to share a screen with you in a second that has every third grader's class code on it based on who your teacher is. So, oops, nope. Sorry, guys. Here we go. If you want to pause the video right here, you can pause it and take a screenshot so that you have the class code that you need. So I'll go ahead and give you 1 second to go ahead and screenshot it or write down the information that you need, because you will need this. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and head back to our login. So as I mentioned, my class code, I've already typed it in. So I'm going to go ahead and once you've done this one time, it's going to allow you the opportunity to bypass typing it in every single time. So you may only need to type it in one time. But just for the demonstration's sake, I'm going to go ahead and type it in again. So let me type in my class code. And the next page, it's going to ask you for your first and your last name. Go ahead and go with whatever your school would register you as, or whatever you're registered as at the school. For example, if you go by Liam, but your actual name is William, you're going to need to type in William, because this is auto-generated by the district. So go ahead with your first name. That would be on your birth certificate, actually. So I'm going to go ahead and use Zella's, and then you click the green arrow, and you should be able to get started.